Lesson 4, Hellenistic Culture. Essential question. How do new ideas change the way people live? Guiding questions. How did Greek culture spread during the Hellenistic era? What ideas and discoveries emerged during the Hellenistic era? How did Greece fall under Roman rule? Terms to know. Epicureanism, the philosophy of Epicurus, which says that the purpose of life is to find happiness and peace. Stoicism, the philosophy of the Stoics, which says that people should use reason and not emotion. Circumference, the outer border of a circle, the measurement of that border. Plane geometry, branch of mathematics that shows the relationships of points, lines, angles, and surfaces of figures that are flat or level. Solid geometry, branch of mathematics that shows the relationships of points, lines, angles, surfaces, and solids in three-dimensional space. When did it happen? 291 BC. Menander, the playwright, dies. We are here in history. 270 BC. Epicurus dies. 263 BC. Zeno dies. 255 BC. Eratosthenes becomes director of library at Alexandria. 212 BC. Archimedes killed by Romans. What do you know? In the first column, answer the questions based on what you know before we study or read. After this lesson, complete the last column. So we're going to fill in what do you know about Greek culture? And why did the Greeks fall to the Romans? What you think you may know before we read. Later we will fill in this right side of the table.